Okay, this is the water heater. It's 11 years old. They last about 10. This is the electric disc connection right there from the American Peach. Connector's loose from that. Corrosion on this. I have dielectric unions. The temperature pressure relief valve. When the water comes out of this guy, it's 200 pounds, 200 pounds of pressure, 200 degrees. It's going to be hitting that sheetrock right there. So this one, it's right there. It is no safety pin. And again, it's 47 gallons, 11 years old. They last about 10. This is the clothes washer connection tray. We've got a loose valve in there, probably to replace this cold water valve that's broken. This receptacle is not GFCI protected. This 220 right here is loose. This one does not work. It's been replaced with this one, which has exposed cables underneath it. Your clothes washers in here, you're not going to have service access in front of your Federal Pacific breaker box, which is a Federal Pacific breaker box. This GFCI, that goes to the bathrooms, maybe to the garage, some of the garage, but the bathrooms. It shouldn't be hand labeled. It should be labeled better. In fact, I know it should be labeled better because this is your air conditioner circuit right here. It's labeled over here. That's your air conditioning circuit. That's your range circuit. The range, I'm going to jump around like that. But here's the range circuit right there. That should be picked up. Should have cover plate on it. Should look better than that.